how to get back your old account on FC Mobile or whether it's possible to get back or not. Hello everyone, this is Max. Welcome back to another tutorial video. So let's start without wasting any time. Also make sure to watch this video till the end. First of all, open up your Play Store. Now tap on the source icon at the bottom right corner. Now simply tap on the source bar and type FC Mobile. Now once you type it, simply tap on source. Now tap on FC Mobile and make sure to update to the latest version. Once you update it, tap on play. Now wait for the game to load. Now on the game screen, simply tap on the settings icon. Now scroll down and tap on customer service. Now on this page, simply tap on how do I recover lost game progress. Now scroll down. As you can see, it's written here, if you didn't link your account and you are playing as a guest, guests can only save directly to a phone or tablet. You won't be able to recover your account if you factory reset, switch, replace or lose your device. So it's not possible to recover old guest account of FC Mobile. So that's it. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. See you in the next video.